Hello, my name is Emily.
Hi, I'm James.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can you take a photo of me, please?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you very much.
With your phone?
Yes, here it is.
Do you want Tower Bridge behind you?
Yes, I really like this place.
Okay, please stand over here.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Tower Bridge is very famous, you know.
Yes, many people visit London to see it.
That's right. Tourists come here every day.
Really? That's nice.
Yes, it is always busy.
Great.
Are you ready for the photo?
Yes, I am.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Done?
Yes. Do you want to see the picture?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Oh, it looks very nice.
I'm happy you like it.
Can we take one more photo?
Sure. This time with more sky.
Okay.
All right. It's done.
Wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time in London.
I will. Thank you again.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye. Good morning. I'm Olivia.
Good morning. I'm Daniel. Welcome to the British Museum.
I'd like to buy a ticket, please.
Of course. Is it for today?
Yes, for today.
Is it one adult ticket?
Yes, please.
The ticket is £12.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you. This is my first visit here.
I hope you enjoy it. The museum is very large.
Really? What can I see first?
You can visit the Rosetta Stone. It is very famous.
Oh, yes, I know about it.
Many visitors come to see it.
What time does the museum open?
It opens at 10 o'clock.
And what time does it close?
It closes at 6 o'clock.
Is there a map of the museum?
Yes, here is a free map.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Many objects are from ancient times.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes, some of them are very old.
I would like to see them.
Take your time and enjoy your visit.
I think I will walk a lot today.
Yes, there are many rooms to explore.
If I have questions, can I ask you?
Of course, I'm here to help.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
Enjoy your time at the museum.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Look, we are in front of St. Paul's Cathedral. My name is Emma.
Yes, it is beautiful. I'm Thomas.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. What about you?
No, I visited it once before. It is very big.
Yes, and it is very old. It is in the center of London.
Many tourists come here.
Yes, everyone wants to see it.
Can we go inside?
Yes, but some areas are closed today.
Really? Why are they closed?
There are some repair works.
That's okay.
Shall we go inside now?
Yes, let's go. It is very quiet inside.
I like this atmosphere.
Look at the windows. They are lovely.
Yes, they are very beautiful.
There is a lot of light inside.
Yes, it is impressive.
Can we take photos?
Yes, but without flash.
All right.
Thank you.
Would you like to sit for a while?
Yes, I'm a little tired.
Let's stay here for a moment.
This is an important place.
Yes, it is very important for London.
I'm happy to be here with you.
Me too.
Shall we go for a walk later?
Yes, we can walk along the River Thames.
That sounds nice.
I love this part of the city.
Me too. It is very peaceful.
Today is a wonderful day.
Yes, I'm enjoying it very much.
Let's take our time.
Yes, there is no hurry.
Look, Dad, the park is very big.
Yes, Lily. This is Hyde Park. It is very beautiful.
I like coming here. There are many flowers.
Yes, and there are many trees too.
Can we walk here?
Yes, we can have a nice walk.
There are many children over there.
Yes, they are playing in the playground.
What are they doing?
They are playing games and running around.
That looks fun.
Do you want to play too?
Yes, please.
Okay, we can go there soon.
There are many benches.
Yes, we can sit down for a while.
I'm a little tired.
Let's have a short rest.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, the sunshine is lovely.
I like this park very much.
Me too. It is quiet and peaceful.
Is it close to the city center?
Yes, it is not far from central London.
Is this park important for the city?
Yes, many people come here every day.
Can we eat some ice cream?
Maybe later.
Some people are reading books there.
Yes, many people come here to relax.
I want to come back again.
We can visit it again soon.
Shall we continue our walk?
Yes, let's walk near the flowers.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, my dear.
I'm very happy today.
I'm happy too.
Let's enjoy the park.
Yes, let's have a wonderful day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. Are we at Windsor Castle now?
Yes, we are in front of the castle. It is huge.
Yes, it is very big and beautiful.
This is our first visit here.
Yes, and I am very excited.
Shall we go inside now?
Yes, let's buy the tickets.
There are many tourists here.
Yes, the castle is very famous.
Who lived here?
British kings and queens lived here.
They liked luxury, didn't they?
Yes, they certainly did.
Look at the golden decorations.
They shine beautifully.
This hall is enormous.
Yes, it is very impressive.
There are many lovely rooms.
Yes, and the windows are very large.
Can we take photos?
Yes, but please don't use flash.
All right. Where are the gardens?
They are behind the castle.
Are they big too?
Yes, they are very large.
Shall we go for a walk later?
Of course, hand in hand.
I love traveling with you.
I love it too.
The weather is lovely today.
Yes, it is perfect for a walk.
Shall we have some coffee later?
Yes, at the cafe near the gardens.
What a wonderful day together.
Yes, I will always remember it.
Me too.
I'm happy to be here with you.
I'm happy too.
Let's enjoy the rest of the day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my love.
Look, the boat is arriving.
Yes, it looks nice.
Shall we take this one?
Yes, it's a boat tour on the River Thames.
I really like the river.
Me too. It feels very romantic.
Can we buy the tickets here?
Yes, the ticket office is over there.
Is it expensive?
No, the price is quite reasonable.
Shall we get on board now?
Yes, let's go.
There are many empty seats.
Let's sit by the window.
That's a great idea.
The boat is moving now.
London looks beautiful from the water.
It really does.
Look, I can see Tower Bridge.
Yes, it's amazing.
And there's the London Eye.
I love this view.
The journey is very peaceful.
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, especially with you.
The weather is lovely today.
Perfect for a boat ride.
Shall we take some pictures?
Of course.
This is a special moment.
Yes, I will remember it.
The ocean is beautiful. Thanks for this idea.
Thank you, too.
I'm glad we came here together.
Me too. It's been a wonderful day.
Let's do this again someday.
I'd love that.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hello, my dear.
Where are we?
We are at London Bridge area.
It looks very nice here.
Yes, it's a famous part of the city.
What is that tall building over there?
That is the Shard.
It is so tall.
Yes, it is one of the tallest buildings in London.
Can we go inside?
Yes, we can go up to the viewing platform.
There are many people here.
Yes, tourists love this place.
I feel a bit tired.
Let's take a short rest here.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Look at the view over London.
Wow, it's amazing. I can see the whole city.
London is beautiful from up here.
I really like this city.
Me too.
Is the Shard old?
No, it is quite modern. It was built in 2012.
It is very quiet inside.
Yes, people are just enjoying the view.
Can we take photos outside?
Yes, outside is perfect for photos.
The sky is so blue today.
It's a perfect day for visiting.
Did you enjoy this trip with me?
Of course, very much.
Shall we go down now?
Yes, slowly.
Thank you for today, Grandpa.
You're welcome, my dear.
Hello.
Hi, are you ready?
Yes. Where are we going?
To the Brandenburg Gate.
Great. I like this monument.
Me too. It is very famous.
Is it in the center of Berlin?
Yes, it is on a big square.
There are many people here.
Yes, lots of tourists come here.
The gate is very big.
Yes, and very impressive.
Can we go closer?
Yes, of course.
There are many people taking photos.
Yes, everyone wants a picture here.
Is the view nice?
Yes, you can see Pariser Platz.
And there is Tiergarten Park nearby.
Yes, it is just next to the park.
Tourists are everywhere.
Yes, people from many countries.
Shall we take photos?
Of course.
With the gate behind us.
Perfect. Smile.
This photo is nice.
Yes, it turned out really well.
Do you know the history of the gate?
A little. It is a historic monument.
It is a symbol of Berlin.
Yes, exactly.
That is important.
I'm happy to be here.
Me too.
Shall we go on now?
Yes, let's get a coffee. Hello.
Hello.
Shall we go up the TV tower?
Yes, I would like that.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I don't know this place very well yet.
There are many people here.
Yes, but we can take the elevator.
Good idea.
Shall we buy a ticket here?
Yes, right over there.
That will be quick.
Can you see the city from here?
Yes, it looks beautiful.
I really like the view from up here.
We are almost at the top.
Yes, just a little more.
There are many tourists.
Yes, but the atmosphere is nice.
Can we take photos?
Of course.
Look at Berlin.
It is amazing.
Would you like to sit for a moment?
Yes, I'm a bit tired.
Let's rest here for a while.
Okay.
Shall we have a coffee after this?
Yes, good idea.
There are cafes nearby.
Perfect.
I really like Berlin.
Me too. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sorry to bother you. I'm trying to explore the old town of Berlin.
You're in the right place. It's a really nice area.
It's my first time here. I don't know where to start.
Just walk around slowly. Every street has something interesting.
It already looks beautiful.
Yes, a lot of the buildings are very old.
Are these squares important?
Yes, they've been part of Berlin's history for a long time.
That's interesting.
A lot of things happened around here.
Can you go inside any of the buildings?
Some of them, yes. Others are just for viewing.
Do you have to pay for everything?
Not always. Some places are free. Some have tickets.
I'd like to see the Berlin Cathedral.
It's just around the corner. You can't miss it.
Oh, that's close.
Yes, just a short walk.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I like this part of the city. It's calm.
Are there any good places to eat nearby?
Plenty. Mostly traditional German food places.
What do people usually eat?
Things like sausages or schnitzel.
That sounds nice.
It is, especially after a long walk.
Where do people take nice photos?
Honestly, almost everywhere here. The streets are very photogenic.
Thanks for the help.
No problem. Enjoy your walk around the old town.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.